I'm Dr. Shail Gupta and I'm here to share my 4 month result with you. You might have seen me as a doctor telling you a lot of things about hair transplantation, hair treatments, but now I'm sharing my views as a patient. You know, got into this, why did I decide to do my hair transplant, and what kind of result I'm getting, and what kind of changes it has brought in my life. I always had good hair, and my age is 44 years now. And I had a broad forehead. As you can see in the pictures, I was kind of okay, but I actually wasn't really doing anything about it. Almost 6 years back, I did a transplant for myself in the scar area. As you can see in the picture, I had a scar tissue over here, scar area over here, and I felt around 300 grafts in that area. That time, I did not bring the hairline low. My hairline was stable. I'm not on any medication. I have never been on any medication. My hair are good. I wasn't really able to style my hair. As you can see in these pictures, my hair used to fall here and there, and you need to have a good hairstyle which you can style. So that was the major problem, major issue which I was facing. At that time, I don't know why I didn't decide to do a surgery at that time. I could have brought my hairline down at that time, like 6 years back, but I decided against it, or probably I didn't think of this thing that time. Now, in my recent pictures, I was noticing this. The forehead was looking pretty broad, and I wasn't really sure that whether to go for transplant or not, because when I discussed it with my family, they said, "Oh, you don't need it. Everything is okay. Why do you want a transplant and all?" So probably these things kind of discouraged me to do this. But yes, this was deep, intense desire, which I always wanted to do this for myself. So then one fine day I decided and I did this for myself, and this was the best day of my life. And for past almost a month I am noticing this growth, and this is like kind of improving every day. And when I comb my hair these days in the morning, I really find it so amazing. That's a totally different feeling. And you know what? Today morning only, I was combing my hair, and I was there for, I guess, for around 10-15 minutes. My wife thought that I have left for the clinic, but I was still there combing my hair, and she said, "Oh, you haven't left for the clinic. You are getting late." But you know what? I was enjoying combing hair, and I was just loving it. I was just loving that moment. Usually, it happens these days. Since I've noticed this, and I really love combing my hair these days. And though I'm a very shy person, I don't talk much, and I don't, click pictures, or my profession is like this where I have to communicate, I have to send across the message, which I am doing right now also. So otherwise I am a very introvert person. But yes, I can now, I repent why I didn't do this 6 years back. So probably I was indecisive and I wasn't really sure, and probably I think I wasn't really prepared for the happiness which this thing has brought. I'm a subconscious healer. I make meditations. I do a lot of meditations myself, and I motivate people for doing things which they are kind of scared. So at times we find this difficult to take a decision, and I tell everybody that indecision is also a decision. If you are not deciding, taking a decision, then that means you have decided not to do it. So when I did this, I mean, I am so happy, and as you can see, my growth is awesome. And right now, also, I'm not on any medication, and I've not done any PRP. I did just one PRP at the time of transplantation. and that's it. It really helped my existing hair to get more bounced, and it gives me freedom to style my hair. Probably I might comb from the other side next time. Maybe I'll try this hairstyle if it looks good. Yeah, but now with these hair, I feel very confident to style my hair whichever way I want to. Since I have done it myself, and I really feel this change which this transplantation, just a small area of transplantation, has brought to my life. I can really feel the happiness, the changes which we have been doing in thousands of patients for almost 20 years now. But yes, before doing it for myself, uh, I could not imagine the intensity of this happiness. And now all I would say is like, you know, this is good. This is very good. And it might look tempting to you. Okay, doctor has got a transplant done. We should also get it done. But the thing is, you know, every case is not similar. Every patient is different. So one thing which works in somebody might not work in the other person. So you need careful, honest assessment of your condition, and then you can go ahead with this. So if you need any details, anything you want, you can contact me. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. You can also connect with me on Facebook Live, Insta, or maybe YouTube Live. Yes. So thank you. Love yourself. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I'll keep sharing my journey with you, and thank you. Stay blessed. So you can see the growth and the hairline. It looks very natural, and this is like 4 months post transplant. Yeah, it looks very natural. If you see here, these hair all are transplanted. See, it looks beautiful, isn't it?